Hi, everybody. Welcome to our Bold Patents Arlington, Texas page. We're going to go through, I'm going to cover the top 5 resources for you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner right here in Arlington. I know being an inventor can seem quite lonely. You're on your own, coming up with a new product, new technology. I encourage you to protect what you've come up with, but then soon after, go into the community that you're in to learn about all the great resources that it has. Right here in Arlington, I'm going to go through the top 5 my favorite places for you if you're going to go big and bold and start that new idea, launch your company. Here's what you should do. First one, go to the Wealth Tech Accelerator. They launched just a couple years ago in September 2023, but it's my favorite. It's a public and private accelerator. Now, an accelerator is, of course, what you probably think of. It's going to boost your progress, get you into the market, get funding, and get you some of those resources you might need, including other people, employees, folks that have backgrounds in finance or marketing or sales that can assist you in your technology that you might be developing now. So check out that Founders Arena, also called the Wealth Tech Accelerator. You will need to apply to it, so make sure you're ready before you make that application. Again, I caution you to get with your patent attorney here at Bold and even your business attorney to make sure that it's the right time for you. Especially be wary if you're going to be giving up some equity or ownership interest before launching into one of these accelerators. But it's an incredible resource. It's my number one. Lots of alumni have launched out of there and been successful. The Founders Arena. You can't miss it. All right, number 2. This is the Epic Mavs. Epic Mavs, also under the umbrella of the UTA Innovation and Commercialization Program. I love this because it's free, okay? Wonderful resource, 0 bar to entry. You do have to be serious. Now, this is part of the University of Texas at Arlington. It's open to any students and local entrepreneurs, so not just students. It includes a summer accelerator. You can pitch your idea to real investors, get feedback on what you've come up with, and seek actual funding, seed phase, angel investors, and introductions to even VC. So check out Epic Mavs with the UTA. Again, that's the University of Texas at Arlington. Okay, number 3, this is Tech FW. Again, sponsored through the University of Texas at Arlington, but also through Tech Fort Worth. Tech Fort Worth delivers the incubator, accelerator, and scaling programs. They have 3 separate programs in Tech Fort Worth. So Think Lab, Smart Start, and Fast Forward. So check out all 3 of those. They're a core commercialization partner. Might have heard about technology transfer at universities. A lot of professors, research students will try to come up with their solution at the school, and then they'll actually let the entrepreneur, if the researcher or student wants to go commercialize, will go outside of the university for a for-profit venture. So check out Tech Fort Worth, their Think Lab, their Smart Start, and Fast Forward programs. There's been over 200 startups launched since its beginning. A biotech company, ZS Pharma, just launched out of there a few years back. They've now raised $2.7 billion through AstraZeneca, highlighting massive regional impact. Okay, number 4, Cross Timbers. This is the Apex Accelerator. This is a Department of Defense background. So they've got a lot of backup by the Department of Defense funding here. It's a PTAC style, if you've heard of that. It helps startups become more government contract ready and covering all sorts of different things related to FAR compliance, cybersecurity, and national protection. It supports defense tech ventures, preparing for federal procurement, advancing both product and readiness and revenue channels. So check out Cross Timbers, Apex Accelerator if you think what your invention, your business is about is helping the government move forward and increase national security. Number 5 is the Greater Arlington Chamber. Greater Arlington Chamber are also the PDSBI Fund. This is the chamber. So right here in the city you're at, in Arlington, check out Creative Arlington. The city also provides product development and small business incubator funds and a revolving loan pool for product commercialization and small business scaling. The Kitchen Combine, it's a culinary incubator for Black-owned, Black founder chefs, providing rotating kitchen and seating space. That's a notable startup that just came out of the Greater Arlington Chamber, is Kitchen Combine. So check them out. Very, very cool. So those are my top 5 right here in Arlington. If you do have any questions, again, before you go public or launch your new product, I do encourage you highly to get with one of our patent attorneys, have a chat about patentability, and getting your patent pending before going into one of these public programs, and getting some coaching and mentorship from a business advisor before giving up any equity or ownership interest of your company. I'm JD Hoovener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.